Barcode information is provided from a preloaded database of consumer products available in your locality. Hold the product steady with the barcode facing towards you at eye level, about 20 inches or 30 centimeters away. Point with your index finger towards the center of the barcode on the product. Avoid obscuring the barcode. When your finger has been detected, you will hear a double beep. Now move your hand away. You will hear the camera shutter sound, followed by an announcement of the product's details.
Pepperidge Farm Milano raspberry flavored chocolate cookies.
Press the touch bar. The device will take a picture, recognize the barcode, and announce the product information. In the automatic barcode detection mode, hold the product at eye level in front of your face. When the barcode has been detected, your device will announce the product information. Note: if the barcode is not available in the preloaded database, the OrCam device will announce
unfamiliar barcode.